So today, another camping quick tip, and it involves these. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So on to today's quick tip. So who would have thought how useful these Home Depot Homer buckets would come in handy while camping? Well, can I just say, we use a lot. You know, I was looking around our campsite and we had 5 or 6 just in a matter of a small space. And so let me just tell you real quick what we use them for. So we use one of them with the lid that we put our charcoal in. This is so handy because, you know, charcoal comes in those bags. So if the paper bag gets wet, the charcoal's no good. So by putting it in here with a lid, keeps it nice, safe, and dry. So if you're going to pick up some of these Homer buckets, make sure you don't forget the lid. The second one is we have what we call a fire bucket. This one's heavy, but we keep this just right by the fire pit. It has lighter fluid. It has an axe. It has a shovel. Pretty much anything you would need to start a fire. And this is just so handy to pull out of the truck and leave by the fire. The next one, something very useful, is a potty bucket. And these potty lids just fit perfectly down on the Homer buckets. The next one is, we just call this our outdoor camping kit. And this has everything from tent stakes, to bug spray, to lights, to a popcorn popper, bungee cord, first aid kit, so many different things that are just kind of set out for when we need them. So handy. Now, if you're wondering what we have on the outside of our camping bucket, it's called a bucket buddy. And you can also purchase these at Home Depot. And oh my gosh, these are so handy to put things on around your bucket. So check those out. Another thing we use the buckets for is this one actually stays in the trailer. But it's perfect for some of those things that need to stand upright, like our tripods, our broom, a fold-up chair, you know, just a couple of different things that are so handy when we put this in the closet. They're all standing upright, and then when we travel, they're not all over the place. And then last but not least, you know, we actually have 2 or 3 of just these extra ones. And yes, they do come in white, but we use these for loading things in and out of the trailer that might be heavy. You know, this handle is so perfect. We also like to keep one by the campfire. We fill it up with water, and this is perfect for dousing out the fire. So I hope that this quick tip helped you. And if you have some creative ways on what you use Homer buckets for, we would love to know. So leave it in the comments below. So if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye. Now, if you're wondering what we have on the outside of our camping bucket, it's called a bed buddy. No, it's not.